So I have the Roomba going, and there's dust on the floor. And it goes right over it and doesn't even pick it up. It doesn't even pick the dust up. It just knocks it around. It doesn't pick up the dust like it should. So when it gets in the corners, it doesn't look like it's touching the ground with the duster. It looks like it's hovering over the floor, but it doesn't seem like it's touching the floor because it goes over dust and it doesn't clean it. It doesn't pick it up. It doesn't pick it up. Watch this. Like it never went over it. So I'm not happy with it. It didn't pick up the dust like I thought it would. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, if I'm going to send it back. It's definitely not picking up. It's definitely not picking up. It's going right over it, but not picking up. See that? Goes right over it, but doesn't pick it up. Not good. I wouldn't buy it. Save your money. I would not buy it. You'll be quicker, cheaper, just to get a broom, a dust mop, and do it yourself. You'd be done with it rather than this going for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and can't even pick this dirt up. Alexa, stop Zumba. Alexa, pause Zumba. Alexa, pause Roomba. I do it myself.